Hey everyone, and welcome to this weekend stock forecast. Okay guys, let's go over the markets here. So I want to start with the SPY. In my last weekend video I went over this inside bar pattern on the SPY, and as you can see this week the pattern played out. We came in Friday into this 50 moving average. This will be currently some slight support. I picked up a few long shares here to see if we can get any bounce next week. So I will look for a retrace back if you want to short this market to this gap fill 20 moving average. The price will be 168.70. Now if this market can go sideways, look for another move down. This will be my next big support area. The first one will be this gap fill at 163 even number. It will also going side by this 50% retrace, and then the next level will be this pivot low at 160.50, and then we have this pivot low at the 200 moving average. This will be the no-brainer, 155.74. Okay, let's go over some big names here. I want to start with JP Morgan. As you can see, JP Morgan is holding this gap fill area. In my opinion, this needs to consolidate before a new breakdown. So look for some consolidation into this 50 moving average, and the stop loss will be any close above this 20 moving average. Goldman Sachs, let's see what you can find here. Still holding the 50 MA as the SPY. Also in this case, look for some sideways action for another leg down. One of the weaker names here is ExxonMobil. As you can see, ExxonMobil is still trying to hold this pivot low. The next big support on ExxonMobil will be this area. This pivot low at 85.07. Chevron, basically the same as ExxonMobil. First big support that I see will be this pivot low with the 200 moving average at 166.80, 116.80, excuse me. Now let's go over Google here. As you can see on this intraday, at this daily chart, excuse me, we got a nice inspired of head and shoulders. As you can see right here. This week Google broke this neckline, and as you can see, price starts to drop, and we're coming in the first small support area, this pivot low at 847. This will be a minor level. I'm looking at this 200 moving average with this prior pivot at 108.30. That will be my long level for the coming week or coming weeks. Let's go over Apple here. Apple is still very strong. As you can see, Apple is going higher in a weaker market. Look for some consolidation here, and when the 20 moving average comes below, look for another leg higher. Now the big resistance on Apple, we first have this level 553. We also have this gap fill at 513.64. But we're consolidating below this level, so look for the higher level. So this will be the first level for the short, 553.80. And then we have this pivot high at 593.26. Let's go over another stronger name in this weaker market, Walter Energy. As you can see, Walter Energy is trying to consolidate here above this 20 and 50 moving average. I will look for a little more consolidation. If you want to play this on the long side, your stop loss will be any close below this 20 moving average. That will be your stop out. First minor resistance will be this pivot 114.670. If you can break this level, look for this level as the next major resistance, 116.25. And then we have this pivot high right here, $20.30. Okay guys, this was it for me. I hope you enjoyed it. Come join us on Twitter or on Facebook, and I will see you all on Monday for a new update.